In this video, I will be showing you how I personalize ChatGPT as a scientific researcher to ensure every interaction is grounded in academic rigor and professional context. I'm starting right here on the home page, and to begin the process, I'll navigate down to the bottom left corner and click on my profile name to select Settings from the menu. Once the Settings window is visible, I'll look at the sidebar on the left, navigate to the Personalization tab, and click directly into the Custom Instructions field. I'll open my personal notes to copy my specific guidelines for scientific rigor and then paste them directly into the instructions box. Next, I'll update the More About You section to provide the AI with a deeper understanding of my work. I'll copy my professional background and current occupation from my document, paste them into the field, and then click Save to finalize these changes. Now that my profile is tailored to my expertise, I'll head down to the message bar and paste a persona prompt asking the AI to act as an expert research assistant. After I click Send, I'll wait for the initial reply and then paste in my specific research question regarding the current consensus on gut microbiota. As ChatGPT generates the responses, I'll scroll through to carefully review the framework, evidence, and detailed scientific analysis provided in each. This setup allows me to transform a general AI into a specialized research partner that understands the high standards required for my projects. If you found this walkthrough helpful for elevating your own scientific workflow, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tips and tutorials.